Well, right now in Colleton County, one of the most closely watched murder trials in the history of our state is officially underway. Disbarred Lowcountry attorney Alex Murdaugh is charged in the murders of his wife and son in 2021. Greg Adeline joins us live from outside the Colleton County Courthouse in Walterboro, where Murdaugh's trial is taking place this afternoon. Greg, what are we expecting today on the first day of the proceedings?
Well, good afternoon to you, Intisar. This jury selection process is expected to last several days. Over 900 summons have been sent out throughout Colleton County looking for prospective jurors in this case, people who might have an open mind when it comes to the murder trial of Alex Murdaugh. I want to get you caught up on some of the events here at the courthouse earlier today. Video from earlier on shows Alex Murdaugh showing up to the Colleton County Courthouse wearing a white button-down shirt. He had on handcuffs, presumably, and also had a jacket over his hands. And really what it boils down to throughout this process is finding 12 prospective jurors, 12 impartial jurors, 2 alternates in a county really where the Murdaugh family dynasty ran the solicitor's office for a century. Finding people who have not heard of the name Murdaugh in this area could be a challenge. The questionnaire sent to jurors reportedly very detailed, looking to weed out anybody who has knowledge or any sort of opinion of this case, asking anything from what news they consume, also whether they've heard of this case, whether they've served on a jury, whether or not they or anybody in their family has been represented by Alex Murdaugh during his legal career. Both the defense and prosecution will be able to dismiss a certain number of jurors as well. And really, there's kind of a strategy in all of this, each side looking to find their ideal juror. So we spoke with an attorney, Eric Bland, this morning, whose client, the family of Gloria Satterfield, won a confession of judgment against Alex Murdaugh in a separate case for millions of dollars. He said that jury selection is the most important facet of this trial. Take a listen.
You have to be talking to people that are receptive to your case. If you're talking to people that are not willing to listen, you could be the best orator in the world, have the best evidence in the world, but if they come in with preconceived notions or an outcome that they want to have, there's nothing you could do about it. So a lot of time and money by both sides have gone into determining what the optimal juror is going to be in this case.
And again, jury selection is underway here at the Colleton County Courthouse. It's expected to last through the afternoon. The judge in this case, Clifton Newman, has ordered strict orders for the media and anyone covering this trial not to disclose the identities in any way, shape, or form of any of these prospective jurors, anyone who will sit on this jury, all of that in order to ensure a fair trial. We will have complete coverage from here in Colleton County through the duration of this trial and, of course, throughout the day here on WIS News 10. But for now, we're live in Walterboro. Greg Adeline, WIS News 10.